Hello everyone, it's the Urban Window Farmer. I just wanted to give you guys an update on the passion fruit grow experiment. Again, I took one passion fruit from a local grocery store, harvested the seeds, and started growing them. So I have a series of plants that I sprouted, and I decided to put some in my western facing window and some in my eastern facing window. So this is the western facing window. These ones are, I would say, probably beating the ones in the eastern facing window, but it's pretty close. So the ones in the middle here look like they're doing the best. So they have the most leaves, largest leaves, very green, and so these are doing the best, thriving. I have them all in recycled plastic bottles with foil around, just to keep the algae under control. Alright, and then I also have a couple down here, but the ones down here aren't doing as well as the ones higher up in the window. So I have a couple down there. They're much smaller than the ones up here. So for whatever reason, they tend to like to be higher up in the window. And these are the plants in my eastern facing window. Like two of them are very healthy and two are a little smaller. This one's doing actually very good. So, the next step of the process, I'm waiting for the weather to get a bit more consistently warm. And then once it is a little bit more consistently warm, I plan to put them outside and let them grow faster.